Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in Google Chrome using developer tools. This method is useful for developers who want to test websites as if they were being accessed from a different location. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, press Ctrl-Shift-I on your keyboard to open Developer Tools. Once Developer Tools opens, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Developer Tools window. From the menu, select More Tools, then click Sensors. A Sensors panel will appear at the bottom of the Developer Tools window. In the Location section, click the drop-down menu. You can choose from one of the preset locations, such as Moscow, London, Tokyo, or another available option. Once you select a location, Chrome will emulate that location for the current browser tab. To verify the change, open a new tab and search for What's My Current Time or What's My Current Location. If the website asks for permission to access your location, click Allow. The displayed location and time should now match the location you selected in Developer Tools. If you want to use a custom location, return to the Sensors panel. Select Other from the Location drop-down menu. Enter the latitude and longitude coordinates for your desired location. You can find these coordinates by searching online or using a mapping website. After entering the coordinates, Chrome will emulate the new location and its corresponding time zone for that tab. When you're finished testing, go back to the Location drop-down menu and select No Override to return Chrome to its default behavior. And that's it. You've successfully changed the emulated time zone and location in Google Chrome using Developer Tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.